Right, so I didn't show myself prepping this. I basically just sanded these down really good and then got going because of the overcast cloud day. Rainy. It was raining all morning. Didn't really get a start on this until like 8. So what I'm doing is just throwing light coats on. I'm about to resand this. Got a lot of fuzzies on there the first time I did it, so. But yeah, so I got this guy. Just a quick little first coat on each one. I'm gonna sand that top part down a little bit, get rid of those fuzzies. Throw another coat on there while this guy's just kind of drying. But that's where I'm at right now. All right, coming back. All right, so just put, I think about 5 cans on there total. After the first one first part of this video, I basically just kept throwing it on. I do one coat on this guy, back, forth, diagonal, diagonal. Then I'd shoot over here, back and forth, like this, diagonal, diagonal, and then you know, on the last can you can see probably best that I went from right to left here. But overall, got a pretty good coat on there. It hasn't rained at all. I did get a couple of splatters from where my glove got expanded and went in front of the thing, but yeah, I'm gonna take these off. Pretty much just take all this stuff off, put it away, and come right back here. Boom, there it is. We're back. So I just took everything off. I'm really surprised at the how clean the line is on this. You can see which side has clear coat and not. Obviously this has been cleared because of the adhesive, but on both sides there's a pretty good line going across there. You can see the difference between dirty clear coat, clean clear coat, and just plug and play. Yeah, even though I just painted this yesterday, I decided to add a little more to it. Yeah, pretty much that. There it is, second coat, roof and hood, second coat done. Shabbat.